Sounds good. I like it. It's a nice car.
It's a nice car. But the city is too small. For fat people, it's not for the fat people. Yeah.
So you're making fun of fat people?
No, come.
It's not nice to make fun of fat people.
Okay, come on.
Let me take this inside.
Look how small it is. The space. I'm trying to work and this guy is distracting me. See, this is how it happens. You don't do a work done in RDD. So now we have to take a smoke break.
What, man? I was giving you nice music so you could work. You're working hard right now. God damn it. You work jazz music.
He worked for 2 minutes, he has to smoke.
I put jazz music. How is that like?
I hate jazz music. I think just put some rap or something like that.
You're gonna listen to Tupac and work?
Yeah, why not? It's better than jazz.
Cool car. It's got enough power to have fun, but just not enough power for my foot, I think. Also, it's very small, too small for me. It looks cool. I'm not a fan of air suspensions. You're always gonna be fiddling with it and making all kinds of noises and all that stuff. But white, carbon fiber, wide body, you know, it's a cool color theme and all that. So I can see a lot of people liking it. It's not my cup of tea. But it's also a giveaway car that our buddies at Tuner Cult gave away. I think it's going to its new owner soon. Came back because we polished the car. We did brush the paint on it, so it left without getting polished. We did polish it, so now it's all done. So yeah, this is a giveaway car that is going to a lucky owner.
Moses cannot fix shit. He broke it, I fixed it. Give me a stapler, so I can teach you how to fix
called
this.
staples, first of all, learn English.
Staplers. It's staplers, many of them.
It's not, it's called staples.
No, it's staplers. It's one, more than one.
It's called staples, you.
Mos, did you see the movie Dumb and Dumber?
Hey, give me the staplers. Okay, so Sarkis said, give me the staplers. He's trying to say, give me staples.
No, staplers.
Staplers.
Because it's more than one.
Both of you can't even fix one stapler.
I did fix it.
So you just beat Moses.
Yeah, I just beat Moses. Moses cannot do shit. I fixed
Sarkis.
Yeah, but you come in the back and you break my tools.
Sarkis staples the staples on the same exact place.
He came in the back.
I fixed it.
Where's the stapler?
What is it?
Only your father has it.
Okay, so basically, when he uses this machine, he's so dumb.
He broke this. He broke this.
He staples.
He broke this.
He puts 50 staplers on the same place here.
Why would you break this, Mos?
Right now, you're not credible on YouTube.
Yeah. So
you just
why
have
would you break
You
this?
have to be humble. You have to be nice.
Hey, look, you break this. Look, this is him.
I have nothing to prove to Sarkis.
See, even Lulu says it can be an accident, but he's so stubborn.
Okay,
he
let me
doesn't accept it.
Okay, let me tell you.
He's so stubborn. He doesn't accept it.
Okay, so how do you staple in the same place 10 times when you're stapling a paper?
Why are you two arguing? You guys are equally stupid.
Oh man.
Oh, see how bad it is.
Oh,
he always offends employees.
Mono comes out of nowhere and tells us shit about.
You know Joe's gonna put all of this on YouTube.
It's fine. You guys already put the worst thing on YouTube.
Not on everybody.
You beat old men.
You guys have burned the guy before.
Hey.
What are you
We've
talking
never
about?
done anything to him.
Forget about all this. I'm gonna
Hey.
put everybody on to my favorite cigars. Partagos E2s.
Don't worry, okay?
Hopefully Partagos sees this and they send me a care kit. No. These are 2011s. I only smoke vintage Cuban cigars.
Can I have one?
You'll throw up.
That was a lot of work.
Don't worry, I got you an oil mark, right?
Yeah. Just wipe it off, please.
You did this one and this one. No, you did
this fat.
No.
And your jeans are tight and they're ripping.
This bolt, you did it.
How did
with the knife.
I never touched.
You did. You came with the knife like.
When? I never did that.
You did.
What?
You did it.
Everybody on YouTube already said your jeans are too skinny for you.
Okay, buy me
and
the
there
jeans.
you go, it's ripping now. And you're lying, I didn't touch you. Hey, there's two. Hey! This is my street.
That's the car we did, the blue one.
No, it's not.
Yes, we did. Remember we painted the diffuser? And we did the sides map black. That's Johnny right there.
Very quick question for, because I know you guys do this car a lot. So it's a 2021 G-Wagon, brand new. I've been told on the 21 for like rim and tire sizes, if I want to go 22s, I cannot do 285, 45, 22. Wanted to make sure, is that right or wrong?
To be honest, hold on, give me 1 second. Boss!
He was looking at you, by the way. He
Yeah.
just walked away.
Yeah, he just looking at me.
Bro, the tow truck's here. I gotta move 3 cars. We gotta put a car that has.
I moved 5
We have
cars
to
in
put
the
a
back.
car that
now.
has no engine all the way in the back.
all
I
in the
moved
back.
5 cars in the back to take off the Porsche.
Move these cars because there's a car that
I
doesn't
cannot
have an
move
engine.
this
That
one. No, this one.
He moved 1 car. He's tired already.
You know this is gonna be a wide body, right?
Which one?
This car you're driving is gonna be a wide body.
Another one.
You're the wide body sort of specialist, right?
Okay. For when you wanna
Tomorrow.
be
You have to finish it tomorrow.
ready? Jesus Christ, what do I have to do with the
Corvette?
Corvette?
Finish that tonight and then finish it tomorrow.
Okay. So I have to open again the gates?
Yeah. I think that's the least of your problems, okay?
What about for you?
Go park it. Another Cullinan. This one is already kind of modified. We are building a Novatec Cullinan wide body again, just like my buddy Shalizi. It's gonna be black, black with orange. We're doing custom RDB wheels. We're gonna do custom diffuser. We're gonna do all that stuff again. Make it the second baddest wide body Cullinan around, because we still hold the title for the first. The kit is incoming, possibly coming tomorrow. So it's a lot of work. Luis right now is working on that orange Corvette. An extreme amount of work on that. The body kit needs a lot of work. We're making it perfect, so stay tuned for all of this.
You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way now.